Yes, welcome back to our channel Vagai Academy of Mathematics, and this session we are about to derive the height of a right angle triangle. First of all, you are given a right angle triangle with three sides A, B and C, and more precisely these sides A and B share this right angle, I mean 90 degree, and this C is going to be the hypotenuse of this triangle. So we will be very well able to get the relation between these three sides. Of course, we can use Pythagoras theorem and we can very well say a square plus b square is equal to c square. But my question is, how you will be able to get the height of this triangle? Of course, if you see this triangle positioned like this, we can very well easily say this A, this side A will be acting as the height of this right angle triangle. But what if we have a triangle with a structure something like this? I mean, this same triangle spot is redrawn in a different way. If you carefully see this, you can see this side C, I mean this hypotenuse is resting over the base, and you can see the other two sides A and B here and here, and same they share this right angle. And for this triangle, how come do you find the height? That is, if I come to drop a line like this, so from this tip, I mean from this vertex of this triangle, and now I am going to drop a line like this, and this is going to be perpendicular with our present base C, and I am going to name this quantity to be h. I mean this is going to be the height of this triangle. So given these three sides A, B and C, in terms of A, B and C, how come we'll be able to find this height? That's the question. So how can we get the value of this height? And that's what we are going to derive here for the small derivation part, interesting derivation part. Yes, we go here. Now in order to find this height, we are going to use this formula, area of a triangle. So we all very well know this formula, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now we are going to consider both these cases, and we are going to use both the cases and use them, get a connection between them, and through which we will be finding this height of this triangle. That's going to be our plan. So start with this first case. So here in this first case we have A, B here, and C is the hypotenuse, and the same triangle is what is drawn in a different way here in the second case. But here the only difference is here we can see this hypotenuse lying on the base. That's it. Okay. So coming back to this first case, we know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Is it or not? So let's take it down. So according to this case 1, area of this triangle is nothing but half into, half into. So in this case, our base is going to be this B and height is going to be this A. No doubt, right? So we can take it as half into base into height, that is half into B into A. So let's take it to be our first equation here. Okay, I'll mark this one to be the first equation. So from case 1, we are getting our first equation. So coming to case 2 here, now if you consider here in this case, area of the same triangle will be now equal to, again we are going to use the same formula, half into base into height, whereas here our base is going to be half into, our base is going to be this hypotenuse C, right? So half into C into, and here our height is nothing but the height which you have already marked, h. Okay, that also will mark. And now I am going to take this one to be our case 2, I mean equation 2. So now we are ending up with two equations. Now let us equate both the equations. We can do that, right? Because both of them are going to be the expressions of area only, and in that case we can sure equate both these expressions. So once I do that, I will be getting half into AB is equal to half into CH. I am just taking the right hand side part of both these equations. So I am ending up with half into AB is equal to half into CH, and so I can cancel this half and half both these sides, and I can very easily end up with H is equal to AB by C. That's it. So that means this expression height, the equivalent expression of this height in terms of the other three sides A, B and C is going to be is equal to this AB by C. That is, if at all we need to find this height of right angle triangle, provided the three sides of this right angle triangle, our height is none other than the product of these two sides sharing the right angle divided by the hypotenuse length, I mean C. That's it. I hope you are clear with this simple derivation on deriving the height of this right angle triangle. And if you find this session to be useful, please give a like and also share your friends. And for more math and quantitative aptitude video lessons like this, kindly follow, subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.